Hey, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of follow up on the Dollar Shave Club. I got a trial kit like two weeks ago, something like that, and I did my first shave with the Executive. I do believe blades. They say it's like 4 or 6 blades on the razor part. It had a metal handle, which that didn't sound great, but the metal handle was great. Um, the shave butter worked also. I didn't have any rash. Well, I had a little bit, but it wasn't bad. So you got one now. Usually about the same place. Um, but it's not too rashy, like itchy. It actually helped out. I used the Charlie wipes that came with the trial kit too. And the point is I shaved a week and a half ago. I had a light full beard completely. It shaved all that off. It was pretty nice shaving it. It was quick. It was nice. Um, the trimmer for the mustache, that wasn't as great, but it still worked. It was okay. I can deal with that. And then I came back. It's been about a week and a half ago since I shaved, so I came back a week and a half later. I had a shadow beard. It was getting a little bit long, starting to stick out, but the same razor blade that I used a week and a half ago, still cut and it's still smooth. No nicks, no bleeding, nothing like that. Full good cut. And then the trimmer, same way. I came with four blades in the kit, so I don't shave regular like I told the system, but so 1 blade a month is what I was thinking. 1 blade every 2 weeks to a month. I was hoping a month. So my situation, if I get a kit or refills, if it comes with 4 blades, which I think it does, for $10, that'd be 4 months worth of blades. But if I do it every 2 weeks, looks like I'd probably want to do about every 2 weeks. It's 2 blades a month. Every 2 months, I'd need a refill. So that's for $10 for 2 months of shaving. I don't know if they send shave butter with every kit or whatnot, and I know the handle isn't there, but for $10, getting 4 blades, especially the 6, either 4 or 6 blades. I think it's 6. Should have checked that out and made sure, but it's pretty good. You get a Mach 3, Mach 5, something like that. Topper blades, I know they go for like $6 a blade, $5 a blade, something like that. So I'm gonna give the Dollar Shave Club kit itself, the trial kit, the shave butter. They also sent a thing of body wash. I haven't used that, but the Charlie wipes, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna give it worth the money for right now, the way that I am. $10 for 2 months worth of shaving. Now the shave butter itself, probably, because it was trial size, I didn't pay for that. It probably won't last but probably a month's worth of shaving. I have to find out with that, but that was pretty nice though. Real smooth, real easy. Anyways, peace. Give it a try is all I can say. And dollarshave.com, dollarshaveclub.com. I do have a referral link, so if I put a link where I'm posting this video, that's my referral link. You can help me out by going through that link also and enjoy some discounts and trial. More than likely they'll offer the same trial kit. I got mine for $4 or $5. Anyways, yep, definitely give it a try out and check out the photos. I do have another video also up it on my webpage. If not, I'll give a link to where you can see those photos of what actually comes in the trial kit and all that stuff.